SAP stands for System Application Products in Data Processing. It is ERP software. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. And what is ERP? So ERP, it is a concept or it is a strategy to handling our enterprise or our organization to increase productivity, to perform a better working flow, as well as best utilization of man, machine and material. So this concept is known as ERP concept. So in market, another ERP systems are also available. For example, Oracle, PeopleSoft, Tally, Microsoft, okay, whatever, various ERP softwares available in market. But SAP, it is a prefer all the multinational and biggest company. That's reason is SAP, it is a strong ERP system, okay, as well as SAP provide to you all business scenarios, business process, single view of truth, okay. Then SAP, it is a standardization means, suppose we are located in India, and out of the India again same SAP ERP system we. Then next is SAP is divided in basically two parts, okay. SAP divided in two parts, okay. First is technical part, is also called as module, okay. Under this technical module, ABAP and basis, ABAP and basis, and second part is functional module, okay. So under this functional module again QM, FICO, HR, WM, SCM, okay, as well as our MM, material management, okay. So technical module, so technical module means SAP development programming languages. So those all languages under this technical module. Those candidate background is computer or interested in coding languages, so any background candidate going to learn this technical module. And under this technical module, SAP's main programming languages is ABAP and basis, okay. So next is functional module. So functional module basic concept is, suppose your departments wise various modules created under this SAP ERP system. Suppose you are going to production department, okay, then SAP provide to you production planning module. Suppose quality department, then quality management. Finance department, then FICO module, financial controlling. Human resource, HR department module. Warehouse management, WM module provided to you. SCM, supply chain management, okay. And MM is material management. MM means what? Material management. So what exactly we do in material management? Any idea? What is material management?
Purchase materials.
Okay.
P2P process in material management. Whole process is P2P, from purchase to pay.
Okay.
Any kind of material we have to purchase, that from purchasing to pay.
Okay.
That we are saying invoicing.
Okay.
Till the invoicing done.
Okay.
That between the process, whole are the coming in material management.
Correct. Very good. So in material management, most is used to procurement activities and inventory management, okay. So material management, this module is basically used to procurement activities and inventory management. So under this procurement activities, main point is procure to pay point, okay. It's also called as P2P cycle. Under this P2P cycle, steps available. First step is, suppose, purchase requisition. it is internal document created by organizational employee. Okay, and this request is sent to the purchase organization. When purchase organization receive that request to your organizational employee, okay, then purchasing organization work on that request, and next step is request for quotation. So request for quotation means here your organization search another suppliers, or out of our organization search various suppliers to that particular material is purchased, that particular supplier. Okay, so your organization sending request to various suppliers to this type of material, I need that type of material, then what is your that material quality, cost, as well as availability. So those all give us quotations. So request to the suppliers to give us quotation. So this point is,
what is different in PR and RFQ?
so
Both
PR,
are requested.
yes, PR and RFQ both are requested, but PR it is internal request and RFQ it is a external request.
Means,
External request means, suppose your purchasing organization, it is a part of your organization. Okay, so your purchase organization send that request to outsource suppliers, various vendors, like vendors is known as PR is internal request, RFQ is external request. Concept clear?
PR means
Internal means, suppose your production department need that particular material.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
then this need is sent to the your organization, purchasing organization. So purchasing organization and your production department both are is in under the close your
Production
organization system.
Yes.
Okay, so the both parts is company part.
Yes.
Okay, but outer supplier is out of the company part, is called as external supply, and this is internal process. Concept clear? Yes. So this is part. Then third number is
PR.
PR.
Purchase order.
PO. Okay. So third part is PIR. Okay. It's called as purchase info record. Okay. So what is purchase info record?
Nothing I don't know, but just information, that is documentary information that give us this kind of material we have, this their cost, this their terms, conditions, all
Okay.
of that may be covered in this PIR.
Okay, very good. So purchase info record, simple concept is, here we contain information about our external source and material. So suppose we select the one external source for that particular material, okay, or select that particular vendor to that our particular material. So that vendor and our material, both information contained under this info record, purchase info record. Okay, so purchase info record, it is the part to contain or store information vendor and material in SAP ERP system, is known as purchase info record part. Okay, concept clear?
It's kind of record.
Yes.
Recorded.
It's called as also master data.
Master data. Yes.
Okay, yes. Next part, order. Purchase order also external document. Okay, we send order. We send order to particular source. Okay, to seller or source.
In your organization.
Yes.
That we have
To send.
buy material.
Yes, send that material in our organization. Okay, so this part is purchase order. Purchase order also contains material, its quantity, delivery date, as well as net price and Incoterms, yes, Incoterms, as well as plant, storage location, batches. Okay, all these information contains under this purchase order. Concept clear? Next point, when your purchase order is sent to the supplier, then supplier send that particular material as per your order to your delivery address. Then next step is goods receipt note. Correct, is also called as goods receipt number. Okay, means receive that particular material. And last point is in P2P cycle,
Pay.
invoice verification.
Yes.
Okay, and then vendor payment. Okay, so these whole points or whole concept is known as P2P point,
Yes.
and also called as procurement activity.
Okay.
Concept clear? And next part is inventory management. This part is totally depends on the warehouse management. All our warehouse related activities we done in this inventory management. We will detail information, we will detail all the scenarios and all the theory related as well as demonstration in MM related all activities we will learn in this session as procurement and inventory management. So those all part under this MM, material management functional module. Concept clear? What is SAP? What is ERP? What is technical and functional module? And what exactly we learn in this MM functional module? Any doubt? Any questions? Okay, concept clear. So this is MM functional module. But before going to learn this MM functional module, first we know how many versions available in SAP. So SAP is developed in 1972. So 1972 to till date, SAP again provided two various versions, R1, R2, R3, then ECC, then
HANA.
no, then EHP.
Yeah.
Okay, EHP, then
HANA.
HANA, and then
Yes. HANA.
okay. So this is SAP versions, various versions. 1972 to till date, SAP upgrade various versions, R1 version, R2 version, R3 version, then ECC version, then HANA EHP, then HANA, and latest version is S4 HANA version. Okay, so what exactly changes in the versions? So R1 version and R2, R3 versions is a single user versions. Okay, no heavy data can store as well as no heavy user are accepted here, only one user authority, all those basic concept in R1, R2, R3 version. But again SAP switch in ECC version. So under this ECC version, multiple users use this system as well as the business scenarios run very well. Okay, all the interrelated, all the departments integrated to each other, like your material to finance, finance to SD department, SD department to suppose your supply chain department, okay, SD to FI department. So all these departments integrated to each other, means business flow run very well under in this ECC version. So ECC, it is a SAP base version. Okay, when ECC version is run very well, but one drawback is ECC version is used to other ERP system database to storage the data. Okay, so like suppose Oracle ERP system or other PeopleSoft ERP system, then other whatever various ERP systems database location is used to store that SAP ERP data. Okay, then SAP again convert EHP system as like similar to ECC system, only small changes. Again EHP to convert in HANA version. Okay, under the HANA version again SAP work on that HANA version, and advanced version is available in market, is called as S4 HANA. So S4 HANA, it is a latest version in SAP system. Okay, so S4 HANA provided to you its own database storage system as well as cloud basis. Okay, and then under this cloud basis we use all the these procurement scenarios or daily activities scenarios under the Fury app. Okay, which is used through one URL in any browser. Okay, so this is advanced Fury version also available in S4 HANA, as well as column basis system. When column basis system, then data storage capacity is very reduced. Okay, as well as the system perform betterly. Okay, system performance is better. So that scenario, that concept also available in S4 HANA version. Okay. Then next again, it is a memory storage system. Okay. So those all scenarios, all these concepts also available in S4 HANA. Then all these points system automatically runs smoothly, and we handle all the business scenarios in SAP under this SAP system very smoothly. Okay, and very well. So all these multinational and biggest companies use this SAP ERP S4 HANA system, as well as in market currently migration concept, or switching all these other old ERP system or other ERP system or ECC system into the S4 HANA system up to 2030. All those system converted into S4 HANA system. So it's your decision which version you are learning, like ECC here currently teaching ECC version as well as S4 HANA version. So it's totally depends on you which version is selected, S4 HANA or ECC. S4 HANA, it is the latest version. Also in market ECC version is also available. So all small companies, other companies also working on ECC version. Okay, and ECC as well as S4 HANA similar up to 70%. We need lot of changes. 70% as it is ECC. Only master data and some fields, some tables are changed in S4 HANA system. Concept clear?
I
Yes.
think as per my survey, most of the old organization, any biggest organization, are using now till date ECC.
Yes.
But they can't change because they are all employees that are working on ECC. They are friendly with ECC,
Yes.
not with the S4HANA.
Yes.
That's why they can't be able to change
Yes.
ECC. But some new industries that are looking for Honeywell that are using HANA, not for S4HANA, but that using HANA. All similar more companies are using HANA. So how I decided to which one we have to learn, ECC or HANA?
Obviously,
we should have to
suggest,
learn both of.
yes. I'm suggest to you learn this S4 HANA version, because up to 2030 ECC as it is end.
Yes, for HANA is
When you are going to as a consultant level, as a implementation, as
Yes.
a rollout project or any project, you are suppose you will decide to work and that particular consultant role.
Yes.
Okay, then I'm suggest to you should have learned this S4 HANA version.
But I'm seeing both of the industries are looking ECC person.
Yeah.
They are looking both. They want
ECC
both
as well as
knowledge,
S4HANA.
ECC as well as S4HANA, because they want to do migration
Correct.
from ECC to S4HANA.
Yes. Yes.
That's why they need to ECC or S4HANA.
Correct.
Both of the that they're choosing a person. They should have friendly with both of.
Correct. So ECC, under this ECC again a theme option is available in this setting. Okay, when you are using this ECC theme, okay, then S4 HANA again converted into ECC theme. In under this ECC theme, as S4 HANA is converted as like ECC system. All those point, all those icons, we look in this overview, SAP overview, like ECC. But actually, I am you working on S4 HANA version. So that scenario, and S4 HANA and ECC only 30% changes, 30 to 20%, like master data creation, like your other tables. Okay, all those minor changes, minor points are
But
escaped.
when we are practiced on both of that, we are learn and we are thinking about these changes. Just only from looking, we can handle seeing.
Yes.
मैंने देखा था जब मैंने भी ट्राई करके देखा, जब मैं अभी वर्क कर रहा था इंड यूजर के लिए, तो मुझे खाना भी बहुत ही डिफरेंट लग रहा था. मुझे वो लर्न करने के लिए 1 महीना चला गया पूरा कि हाउ टू वर्क ऑन इट, विथ हाउ टू राइज पीओ, या हाउ टू गेट पीओ इंफॉर्मेशन टू fill up my Excel.
Okay.
That the process we are just learning from look at it. When we are practicing on that, with the simple way to make, सिंपल वे बनता है. जब प्रैक्टिस हम करते तो सिंपल वे बनता है. जब मुझे प्रोफाइल मिली तब मैं 8 दिन में सब पूरा सीख गया था. डेली डेली का काम रहता है, तो देखना और वो कंपैरिजन करके देखना और प्रैक्टिकली, इसमें मुझे लगता है थोड़ा फर्क होना चाहिए.
Yes. So definitely, suppose you learn this S4 HANA version, then definitely ECC version and S4HANA version changes is available. Then suppose you learn this ECC version, okay, ECC version 100% you done that course under this ECC, then easily you learn how changes, whatever changes in S4HANA system, easily learn, okay, no lot of changes. Then ECC it is a base version, like base,
Basic.
okay, basic concept. So when your basic concept is clear, base version is perfect, then you directly or easily learn this S4HANA system. So that's another my opinion. So ECC is base version, any point of view, okay. When any candidate learn this ECC system, definitely quickly all those scenarios, all those changes quickly learn, whatever changes, what scenarios change in S4HANA system, okay. So that scenario, so it's totally depends on you which version is learned, okay. So that scenario, any doubts, any questions? Okay,
Here, which version you are teaching here?
both
Both.
ECC as well as S4HANA.
In one session or different?
But you are joining this class, but first decide which version you learn, ECC or HANA. Both are not.
Both are, but we are preferring S4HANA because it's updated version.
Yes.
But we should have the knowledge about ECC also.
ECC also. So one a bonus lecture, I am difference. What is difference between ECC and whatever changes in ECC and S4HANA? I am explaining to you as a bonus lecture. Okay. After course completion. Okay. So how ECC run and whatever changes in S4HANA system also. So that scenario. Also clear. So yes. Then next, when this course is complete, then in market job profiles. How many job profiles in SAP?
3 kinds of profile. 3 kinds of profile.
Yes.
The consultant, support consultant,
Yes.
or end user.
Correct. So what is roles consultant level?
Consultant level, that we are using data and just seeing just purchase, repeat purchase data, that all design, that all putting there in SAP, that doing consultant.
Okay.
And support consultant, just I think, I don't work there. Support consultant I see because any issues that I'm facing in end user, that the support consultant help us, helping us.
How many levels under the support consultant?
Yes, some any changes we have to do there. That they creating. Sometimes human is creating some. मैंने जब देखा तो कई कुछ बार पीओ में जो पीओ आया रहता है मेल में, उसमें अमाउंट अलग रहती है थोड़ी बहुत और इसमें अलग रहती है सैप में, तो थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस रहते हैं. तो हमने उनको बताया, करेक्शन करके दिया. हमारी गलती हो पीओ की तो पीओ में करेक्ट कर देते, या अगर सैप में गलती हुई हो डालने के वक्त तो वो वहाँ पे सपोर्ट करते, वहाँ पे क्रिएट कर देते.
ओके.
चेंजेस सपोर्ट करते हैं. कुछ हमारे को कुछ इशू भी आए, सैप समझ में नहीं आ रहा कहाँ से क्या जाना है, तो सपोर्ट लेवल का काम करते, सपोर्ट करना है.
Okay. It's like a support consultant. And end user means?
End user means there's a data, it's kind of data, but just any Excel tracker is working. You have to feeling that from getting data from SAP to Excel. Just look out SAP, the feeling data is always clear. That's seeing the position, our request position, our material position, various position, our materials, which vendors we have purchased, which kind of materials, that the filling in a proper way to data in Excel. That kind of work is end user. That's yes. My saying. Yes, I'm working.
Yes. Very good.
No, every industry has different work.
Yes. Every industry is working on different scenarios and different its own strategies.
Its own strategy.
Okay. So job profile. First level is consultant level. So under this consultant level, here we realize or customize SAP ERP system as per our client requirement. Yeah. Okay. So this totally work we run in this consultant job profile. Okay. So consultant exactly work to customize or create all our organizational need or our client need. Okay. So those totally as a like for example installation, SAP installation. So those all concept under this consultant role. Okay. Next is support consultant. Support consultant role is, suppose your project is done and hand over to client. Okay. Then client's employees or client's end user work on that project.
Yes.
Okay. Then when the client is working on that project, then facing some errors and
Yes.
tickets. Okay.
Yes.
So that error solving and ticket solving person or team is known as support consultant team to solve the client's end user errors. So those work under the support consultant role. Again, support consultant role, three priorities: L1, three levels: L1 level, L2 level, L3 level tickets available, and the priority wise that tickets is divided. So that scenario under this consultant role. And last one is end user. So end user means your daily activities handling. Okay, daily activities means like suppose you are a PR creation, PO creation, your GRN, your Miro, your purchase for record creation, or any type of like so plan creation in or those concept also plan creation under the consultant role. But these all end user activities like P2P cycle, all the P2P cycle. Okay, so that's the scenario under this three job profiles: consultant, support consultant, and end user job profile. Concept clear? Yes. So in this class I am demonstrate as well as teaching to you each and every concept: consultant level, support consultant level, as well as end user. So these three job profiles I am teaching to you. When your course is completed, then in this institute arrange your mock, and as per your mock interview, it is decide which job profile is suitable for you.
Yes.
It totally depends on your knowledge.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, how many what level of knowledge you are gained. Yes. So that job profiles is available for you, and I am teaching to you these three job profiles also. So that scenario under this SAP MM functional model. Okay, so today's your demo session is completed. Any doubts, any question, then ask to me. Anyone online? All okay?
Sorry for doing my this online also connected with this.
Savitri, Saima. Any doubts, any questions?
No,